Good morning, team. Thought I would try something a little different this morning, so here I am. Just want to share a couple of stories with you. First, last night I was paging through Facebook. Sounds funnier when I say it out loud. Anyway, I came across a friend's post who happens to be a teacher. She started her post talking about missing her students, colleagues, and her schedule. Kind of in a lengthy way, but hey, she's a teacher. In the end, she talked about new adventures, new challenges, new ways to connect to her students. And finally, she shared her excitement about how she is helping students learn. Second, a teammate, a colleague, a friend called me yesterday and shared his excitement about a new software to use and share with his students. The excitement in his voice was inspiring. He, through this craziness of remote learning, has found a way to grow his own knowledge and use that knowledge to help students. None of this is easy for any of us, but we didn't become teachers because we thought it would be easy or that we would become rich. We did it because children need great people to help them grow, to help them learn, for them to lean on, for them to find their happy place. That's what we do. That's why we are teachers. Thank you all for what you do through this tough time. If there's anything that I can do to help you, just reach out, send me an email, and I'll do everything I can to help you. Have a great day.